Working on the switching area of my layout. So basically, follow me here. The train's going this way. And so the engine has to go from here, up there, up around here, and over here, and to one of the industries. There can be two over here. Or it can go up here and then back in the engine yard to put the engine back and fueled up. So that's that. And if it's picking up something, say like a car here and a car here, it'll go up here, up here, up here, and then come back with the cars onto the main line and then back out again and to the yard. So yeah, that's my plan. And I was gonna have some street running here, but I can't put the roads over the switches. So that's gonna be kind of hard, and you can't have You can't have just that. I don't know. Who knows? We'll see. But it's definitely gonna be like an industrial area here. Maybe if I have space, I'll put a river in here. I don't think I will because it's solid wood. If it wasn't solid wood, I could put a river. Like if I carved into it with foam, if there's foam, I could carve under the track. But it's not happening. It was gonna be a bridge here, but I decided not to because it needed to be curved to make that curve right there, so it could make it over that. But yeah, so no bridges. We got it one tunnel over here. It's gonna be like right here. And another one over there, probably wooden or concrete, but we have an abandoned tunnel over here. If you're new to the channel, we have an abandoned thing here, so that's abandoned. I might put some lights in there, make it haunted, make it kind of toy-like. Who knows? I might not. Just like a grass plain area over here. Got some bushes to put in here to cover that up. I covered that up with some spackling, as well as over there. There's some spackling. Let's see, I put some more scenery down over here. Let's see, I don't think much else. This area, I'm not sure what it's gonna be. Like, will it be all concrete? Will it be all ballast? Will it be like in between? Will I have a lot of buildings? We'll just see. I'll try to make it like a neighborhood almost, like a sketchy neighborhood and everything like that, because I like the look of that. But I'm definitely digging this part of the layout the most. It's just the flattest part, and I don't really have to worry about any derailing system. It probably won't derail over here unless it picks the switch. That's really all I have to talk about. My yard's over there. Hello, yard. I'm not sure what's going on over here. I have to ballast that at some point. I'm gonna get some more ballast later this week. Maybe today if I have time. I think I should have time, but we'll see about that. I think that's all. Oh, I vacuumed up some over here. I've been vacuuming a lot around here. Let's see over here. Yeah, the pond's gone. Hello. I redid a lot of stuff over here. Sorry, I got something stuck in my throat. I vacuumed up over there too. I put a dirt lot in, which will later become a gravel lot. Maybe. We'll see. Probably gravel lot. I put some dirt in here. I've been blending my scenery. This is actually two scenery turfs. The bright greenish stuff and the tan mixture. Like right here, that's some of the tan stuff, and there's a big difference. I like the look of that. I might get one more scenery turf to put in blotches to make it look better. And bushes, definitely some bushes and low shrubs and some trees. But yeah, the layout's coming along pretty well. I still have to work on that area over here. It's just bugging me, so I'm not gonna work on it. It didn't bug me about it. It's so hard to work on. It's frustrating. So that is my layout so far. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you.